Fortified by decades of expertise and experience, the Cook Islands stand out amongst international financial services jurisdictions.
An important factor for clients considering any jurisdiction, any trust jurisdiction, is what is the court system like and how does the court system work? Because they want to be sure, okay, you can have whatever laws you like, but if those laws are not going to be applied properly, then what use are they? Or if the judges in the court don't have integrity and or have questionable integrity, then what does that mean for you? So that's a real strong advantage for the Cook Islands and the integrity of our court system and the fact that they will apply Cook Island laws in any situation.
So in terms of our sovereignty, we are a self-governing nation. And while we maintain close association with New Zealand, we do have our own parliament, and that means we have the ability to pass our own laws. So our laws provide a comprehensive framework to protect and preserve assets, and high net worth individuals and families and their advisors internationally definitely look at the Cook Islands as an industry leader in that regard.
We actually, as a country as a whole, I feel that we've been quite fortunate with the actual political stability that we have. As much as that governments can change a bit, and they can, the political stability is a definite plus here.
We have a stable legal system that's backed by common law, but we have judges who sit on these cases that are brought here that come from the New Zealand High Court. And so that brings a measure of comfort to a lot of people because they feel that, these are experienced judges, the judges we get here. They've been on the bench for like a number of years. So when they do bring a case, you know that you're getting a very high level of legal expertise to look at your case. And what that has done is that over the last 30 years, it's created some very good case law. And so this case law backs up our legislation.
Judicial precedent, where we have a body of case law that has dealt with certain issues that have come up over the last 30 years. And what that does is it validates the integrity of our laws, as well as creating certainty for planners. So if you're setting up an estate plan for a client, you know exactly how it will be treated here in the Cook Islands. So we're incredibly proud of that.
Trust law innovation has been absolutely critical to the industry here and has driven the industry here for the last 25 years or longer. What's been done was unique, and we were the first jurisdiction to do this in terms of modifying common law, adding new features, unique features, and that was the first to protect clients' assets, and has been so successful it's been copied by many other jurisdictions.
We have very stable government, consistent policies, consistent support for the industry, and that provides clients with a lot of comfort. There's not going to be some unusual situation which comes up which affects the security of their assets. The judges in the Cook Islands Court are all appointed from New Zealand, and they are generally existing New Zealand judges or retired Court of Appeal New Zealand judges. So they bring a high level of experience, a high level of knowledge and expertise, but they are applying Cook Islands law, they're not applying New Zealand law. So it's kind of like we get both benefits. We get that level of expertise and experience and knowledge, but we have the special parts of Cook Islands law, the special protective provisions which can then be applied in their decisions.
We're really talking about the stability of our economy in the Cooks, the stability of our parliamentary system, the effectiveness of our judiciary. Like, these things are critical when we're dealing with clients that have a lot to lose if their affairs are not properly managed.
The value is in the people, I think, as well as the regulatory body, as well as the support services that you can get here. It's a small jurisdiction, but I think it punches above its weight.